It's blown. Blown. Well, where's over here? Down there, won't I? Right. Building walls at in 30 degrees is quite hard, do you know what I mean? Yeah, what did you have a look, did you? So what, is there like a heat wave going on everywhere? There's obviously a heat wave going on everywhere.
Yes, I think there is 3.
You have to say it looks.
3 lifts. You wouldn't want to get on that with 3 lifts either, or even 2 of them, would you?
You never used to, did you? Yeah, especially being off for a long time. Oh, my old toothbrush. She's my new toothbrush. Don't start, not today, mate. Which you're never appreciative of. Watch out for these blown bits. I love it, John. Chuck mine down there. Yeah. Get it down in a minute, thank you. Beautiful. What a day, what a day. It is absolutely boiling. Like, I love the sun, don't get me wrong, I love the sun, but this is something else. Like, there's just no wind, there's no air. It is so humid, it feels like greenhouse vibes, it's mad. But anyway, I've tried videoing as much as possible, but I've basically been spending this afternoon, and I will spend the next couple of hours just basically labouring for Pat. So we're just dressing up loads of stone, just trying to get a load of little jobs done, tidy up the site a little bit, get all like the sand area and that cleaned up. It's just yeah, it's borderline a bit too hot for lime really. So I've done a little bit this morning, got a few courses up, got about a foot up basically on the gable end that I'm working on. And then yeah, like I say, I'm just been helping out Pat. Cam's on holiday. He's living it up around a pool right now. It's probably hotter here actually, but no, I don't think it is. I think he's got like 40 degrees at the minute. But it's not too bad, is it, when you've got like, you know, a nice cold beer in your hand and around a swimming pool. Working is a bit different, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, anyway, yeah, like I say, tried video as much as possible, but it's just too hot. You know what I mean? My camera's overheated a couple of times, so yeah, we're just sort of trying to get today done really, but there's nothing really major going on. We're just getting all the pointing brushed up, getting a few, like I say, a few little bits, just like the odd sort of stones just shaped, especially on that internal gable. We're just trying to shape up basically what we're doing. So yeah, so just it's just one of them days, but it's just too hot. It's just too hot. But yeah, missing Cam today. I am missing Cam definitely. But anyway, let's crack on this afternoon and yeah, try not to dissolve.